Today, we are launching the first Government Service Center in the Northern Division to address the needs and demands for locally available government services after opening centers in Nosori and Lutoko last year. The one in Nosori is for residents for the Central Division, the one in Lutoko is for the Western Division, and now the one in Labasa is for the Northern Division. In many ways, having a center here is the most important of all because of how isolated many Fijians in the north are from the main hub of government in Suva. People living here can have access to a whole range of services that until now might have required a trip to the capital. And we all know that for many, this just wasn't possible. No longer will this be the case. This center will provide a single point, a one-stop shop for at least 20 separate government agencies. The service center means what it says, service. We are serving the people, the taxpayers, and the dependents, who deserve much higher standards of attention, efficiency, courtesy, and respect.
Thank you, Christine.
Well, sir, again, welcome to the Government Service Center in Labasa.
Thank you.
Just for information, sir, 5 personnel from Commissioner of Northern Service were identified last year to be part of the Government Service Center, where they were trained at USP for the duration of 4 months. What we have learned in USP, it's mainly focused on customer service, and we really learn a lot, sir. And with this machine, sir, as you can see, we have a Unicenter software where customers will come in, we will log all the complaints raised and forward to the focal points that has been identified by ministries.
Word must go back to the people that come and ask for assistance. This is really what's happening, and that's part of our service. And half of the time, people are stressed out because they don't know what's happening with their complaints. There's a group of NGOs sitting out here. We had breakfast together this morning, and they came and told me about their work, about providing counseling for stressed people. And I told them that we are also doing that for them. The government workers, the government services are provided to alleviate the stress that people go through, providing good road, water, electricity, good schools for the kids, free bus fare. That's all done to alleviate the stress that people go through in their everyday life. And you will be part of that process, of course. So congratulations, and we are look forward to all the services that you can provide to the people of the North. Thank you.
That's it.
Hello.
Applause once more, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.